The students in this next story are learning to use new tech for dairy farming. Just north of a town called Wausau is Wisconsin's Agriculture Center of Excellence, and it's transforming the dairy farm with cutting-edge AI. AI, which many of you may already know, stands for artificial intelligence. This agricultural center is the only working dairy farm and learning lab in the state. Students here train in managing livestock and equipment while testing advanced technologies before they are rolled out to other farms across the state. Tech like AI-powered milking robots, drones that monitor crops, and semi-autonomous tractors that can handle fieldwork. These innovations can improve animal care while also helping with labor shortages. Nina Sperano is in the field.
Just north of Wausau, you'll find cows with cutting-edge AI. This isn't just a farm. It's the Agriculture Center of Excellence, the only working dairy farm and learning lab in the Wisconsin Technical College system.
Doing what 402 is doing here, just chewing her cud. That's her, as happy as we can get her.
Here, students learn to manage cows, crops, and equipment, while new AI technology is tested and shared with farmers across the state.
So AI is changing farming here because we're able to pull just tons and tons of data. So off of our robots, we're able to talk to actually track cows and see slight changes in each of their udder production.
Milking robots can spot irregularities before farmers even know there's a problem. Drones map entire fields, catching diseased crops from the sky. And semi-autonomous tractors doing the work without a hand on the wheel. The newest experiment, an ingestible sensor inside the cow, measuring her temperature to 1/10 of a degree.
And that'll help us really help determine when the cow is ready to be bred, when she's going to have her calf, and it even fluctuates throughout when she's drinking water and things like that. But it makes a predictable algorithm so that we can still tell something's going on with that cow at 0.1 of a degree Fahrenheit.
But AI isn't just about healthier cows. It's also about the people who care for them.
I think it's going to really have a fit is when you've got less people coming to the dairies and working for the dairymen, where you can get more cows through on the farm with less help. It'll help with the cost of the labor on farms, but it'll also help with the efficiencies.
And farmers say this is just the start. Electric tractors, autonomous robots, even power from methane. It's what farmers call Agriculture 4.0, where AI and autonomy are redefining dairy farming.
Agriculture 4.0. Thank you, Nina. Well, that brings us to our Write to Us for the week. We'd like to hear your ideas for other uses of AI. How do you see artificial intelligence used in the future? Students can use our inbox form online or send us an email to newsdepth@ideastream.org to share their answers.